Hey, it's Angelo with Angelo's Edge. Again, making another knife video. Unboxing of a Firebird knife. A Ganzo Firebird knife. Make sure I'm recording. Alright, 19 seconds. Alright, so this is the model F. The model 7611 CF. Like I said, it's a Ganzo knife. The price in most Ganzos are about $20 to $25. So it comes in this nice black box. They all come in, and open it up and take a look at it. I already opened it up, of course. There you go. So take that box. It comes in an inner box and outer box. There's the bubble wrap, and it comes with every Ganzo I bought so far. I think I have 4 or 5. Comes with this little micro fiber bag. I believe I guess Benchmade I think does the same thing, but these don't cost as much as that, but that's got a kind of silky type feel to it. I guess you can wipe your knife off with it. Here's the knife itself. It's a carbon fiber knife. It's laminate on top of G10. I'll take a look at it. Open it up. It has the axis lock, the Ganzo's axis locks. Take a little bit of got a satin finish. Kind of nice. Got their Firebird emblem. I believe this is 440C steel. Yeah, you can see that nice cool effect. Let's go to the flip side with the clip side. I'll come in with a magnifying glass, so it's not deep carry, but it does have a lanyard hole and 3 torque screws holding the clip down. It's a chrome stainless steel pocket clip. It will drop shut, basically. I did oil it, but you can get it to drop shut. Pretty nice. Let's see. I got my notes up here. Look above. So it's a 7611 CF for the Carbon Fire. Carbon Fire G10. Obviously, axis lock, but they don't call it the axis lock because that's Benchmade. So, and 440C, already said that. Hardness, they say a hardness of 58 to 59 on the Rockwell hardness scale. Tip up only carry, left or right though. Could carry left or right, so it's, how do you say it? Left or right-handed carry. Tip up only. So if you like tip down, this is not the knife for you. And it is a total of 8.07 inches long, with the blade being 3.40. So it's a pretty common everyday carry size. Well, here, I just noticed someone tried putting a quarter. So here's let me spin this down a little bit. Here's a quarter, so you can see the size, and we will. People say it kind of resembles a Cold Steel Max. Was it Max Scout? 4 Max Scout, I believe it's called. Yeah. So where we? I kind of lost my train of thought. So let's get a size comparison with my normal size comparison is to Tenacious. Spyderco Tenacious. That's my normal go-to for size compares. So there you go. It's about the same size as Spyderco Tenacious. So there you go. That's about as close as you can get. Let's see. The tip would be right there at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's about just a little over 8 inches. And the blade 1, 2, 3, and about a half. So, and it swings right shut. Flips open one-handed. Let's try something. Let's try this here, this magnifying glass. See if that does anything for anything, or does it make it worse? It might be one of those things that makes it worse. But we're gonna try it for the heck of it. Yeah, I think that makes it a little too much. Zoom up in here. There's a Firebird emblem. And let's see, my trusty little magnifying glass. This one seems to do a good job. This one seems to be the right one I need. You can see it says Firebird Ganzo, made by Ganzo. Can't quite, but it says 761. Okay, we got the weight of it. Power this on, slide it back. Power. We are going to go with ounces. It says it's 4.45 ounces. Okay, so, and I do like this. I actually like this. I like all the Ganzos, but I like this one particularly better than the others. But I'm going to drop out some other Ganzos I have, just so you can take a look. I have those 3. They're the most common. But there's another one that's carbon fiber. But there you go. So there's some other Ganzo Firebird knives. They're all usually Ganzos make their knives about all the same size. Very everyday carry friendly. So let's take this away. Take this away, and we will go to the website, the Amazon, and take a look. So here's what it is. Unfortunately, it's currently unavailable, but I'm sure it'll come back in. I'm pretty sure I went over everything, but here's like a close-up with their Amazon picture. Yeah. Satin blade. You can see the brush marks of the grind. Axis lock. Closing. Very nice carbon fiber. Alright. I'm going to just scroll down real quick. 440C. Harden to 58 to 59. Quick opening. Button lock paired. Knife speed can be compared to the button lock. So sturdiness 5 points. So everybody gives it a good rating. So there's a little overview of this fine knife. This one came pretty sharp. We pop back here and see if I can find a piece of paper or something. Let's see. Well, it's sharp. I don't believe it was hair sharp. Hair rate sharp. Hair. Let me see. I don't remember. Oh. It's kinda actually. It could shave hair. It shaved some hair. I didn't remember if it was shave hair or not. It does shave hair. Not perfectly. It's not like a super hair popping sharp. But it is pretty sharp. Let's see what this here. Here's a piece of cardboard. I'm sure I'll slice right through that. Yeah. So, there we go. I think I got that on camera. So, cardboard usually easier. Things go through cardboard easier. So, get this out of the way. And I think that's about it on this one. So, there it is. There's the size of the quarter again. So, you can kind of get an idea. One more thing. Here's a Sharpie. Here's a Sharpie. You can see what the size of a regular Sharpie looks like. So, alright. If you like videos like this, like and share, and subscribe to Angelo's Edge and smash that bell. Have a good one.